let's go, let's pick up that Rolex right there. I'll let you explain why this Rolex is unique.
So Rolex, let's be frank, sometimes they don't take the most daring risks with their designs. But
You don't say.
But why would they? I mean, they're gaining market share year over year, so I don't blame them. But this was released this year, and this was almost the spurring moment that created this to be the year of the GMT. And why this one is special, for one, different bezel that they've ever done, black and green, but also, what's going on here?
Exactly.
The crown.
What is going on there?
It's like the lefty.
Yes.
This is their lefty. So this, I would say, probably one of their more daring releases for Rolex standards, which again is not the craziest of standards for going outside of the box, but this is out there for them.
It's
cool.
very out there and became an immensely popular watch overnight because basically you're wearing the crown on your left hand, but it's a lefty. And I think...
Is that your first left-handed watch? And
No, I've got other pieces.
What do you think of wearing that as somebody, because you're right-handed, correct?
I am, correct.
Does it bother you?
No, not at all. I like the uniqueness of it. Obviously, I like the look of it. But of course, I can't wear this on television, which is why I have not yet installed, it'll be being put on next week, a rubber bead. They do the best integrations with Rolex. I don't own any of this company. I just think they do a great job. And I don't rep them in any way other than to say I use them because they're really, really good bands. It'll end up on this piece. This will be in season 15 of Shark Tank, but I love it. And I've worn it, around the house with the steel band on it.
Very nice.
But you have to like the way that looks.
I do, and I like the green and black bezel. I think it's sharp, and I don't know if that would annoy me or not when I would flex in my wrist, but I've never really given a lefty a good shot.
Well, if you're going to give a lefty a good shot, it would be this one. This is the most popular watch I've ever worn on Shark Tank in terms of reviews from people who love the show. It really pops. Wardrobe loves it. It's been in every season. And this year, it will be auctioned at the Phillips auction for charity in December. I anticipate the piece is going to do very, very well. It will come with the original red band and all the original papers and the box. All the charity goes to the Dr. Martin Solomon initiative in Boston, a doctor that has a great legacy for training younger doctors, and I want the proceeds to go there.